Hello there YouTube, TechSavagepro. Welcome back to another video. Hope that you have been having a fantastic day. And today I'm going to be showing you another banger YouTube video, Roku quality. Okay, so what you're going to need is, of course, your remote and your Roku device. Doesn't really matter which one. This works for all of them. Or it should at least. If you're having troubles, feel free, comment down below. And of course, make sure that you watch the video again before you do that so that you make sure that you don't miss anything. Or you can just watch the video all the way through once and save you the trouble. But like I was saying, you won't need anything special. But first off, go ahead and make sure that your home button works properly and that all of your arrows or your toggles work, I guess, because they are going to be essential. So, yeah. And I guess we can go ahead and just jump straight into this. So, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press your home button 5 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And obviously, it's not going to make the sound and stuff I'm going to be showing you it like this, and then I'll actually do it. But so, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the home button. And then it's going to be up, left, down, right. So, if I go ahead and do that for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, left, down, right, and that will work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, back, down. Okay, so I did actually miss a step. So it's actually the home button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then everything's the same except you just make a circle basically. So it's up. So it's up, that way, that way, that way, and that way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can tell, after doing and executing those steps properly, so remember it's 5 times home button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and then you will get this odd, strange, unique looking menu. And I've actually never seen it, like change colors and whatnot. That's actually a new thing. So I'm not really sure. But this is basically the TV's like the toggle menu. So like you can change the contrast and stuff. Basically it's the streaming menu. So it's how it streams stuff. And you can change like the way that it views things. So like if I'm on streaming mode, it's going to pull stuff. It's going to stream it. Makes sense. It tells me my model of my device, the OEM model, so like the manufacturer number, the software version, ESN, the brand, which is Insignia. You have the PQ menu, which is the picture quality menu. That's what PQ stands for. You have the reset settings. You can change it to picture mode, game mode, all of that cool stuff. And you can also do different ratios. So like you can do the aspect ratio and you can change that to where so like if it's stretched, it's going to pull it out, obviously. And if you click normal, it's just going to be a normal flat image. Obviously, auto will adjust, but I recommend doing normal just because you always have a pretty filled image to get used to. So you have your contrast, which is going to display how vivid the colors are and show that. And then the sharpness is going to, all of this stuff is basically personal preference, but I like to keep my color temperature on warm because, as you know, blue light from electronic devices like your cell phone emits blue light and it can actually prevent you from being able to sleep. So that's not good, and I like sleep. But So you might want to do the same. If you do, you can also turn the tint all the way up to 100, which would make it completely orange, basically, which I'm not going to do just because it will take way too long for me to click all the way up to 100. But I'm sure you get the point. So you can also do dynamic contrast, which will auto-adjust the contrast depending on how much you want it to adjust. So like if I click it to high, it's going to really lighten the colors, all of that. If I click dark or off, it's going to darken those colors and make them not stick out as much. So yeah, but that's basically the end of this video. And obviously to get out, you can just hit the home button. But once again, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, down, whatever that button is, and then up. I just realized that I said left was down. So I don't know how to walk now, apparently, but so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so basically, as you could tell right there, you can basically just spam the home button, and then, of course, if you click the right toggles around the OK button or whatever, the select button, then you will actually successfully access the menu. But once again, I just want to go ahead and explain what the source is. So like the tuner, that just changes your viewing output. So like if you have tuner channels and like different TV channels like preset on your TV to like display different things, like for example like HDMI ports, things like that, then you can actually like get them here for like if I go to HDMI 2, things like that. So like hopefully you get it. It just changes the source. So yeah, that's the end of the video. But hopefully you did like it. If you did, leave a like. Let's get 500 likes, or let's even go for, big goals here. Let's get 1 like, let's smash the like button. Let's get 1 like, okay? But I think that we can do it. Make sure, 2019, 2.5K, we're going to do it. We're going to do it, guys. Of course, make sure you do subscribe and make sure that you have notifications on and that you never, ever miss a video. As always, hope you enjoyed. Peace out. Have a good day.